Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the setup proceeds smoothly. Make sure you're signed into iCloud with your Apple ID and that your device has the latest iOS or watchOS. This prevents compatibility issues. Enable a device passcode because Apple Wallet requires it for security. Next, gather your card number, expiration, and billing address so you can add the card without interruptions. Once done, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to start adding your card immediately. Don't wait or toggle unrelated settings. You'll now add and verify the card. In Wallet, tap Add Card, then position the card in view to auto-capture or choose manual entry for accuracy. After entering details, read and accept the card issuer's terms, then select a verification method, usually SMS, email, or your bank's app. Expect a one-time code or push approval. Enter the code when prompted or approve in the banking app. Once verified, set the card as default if you want quick payments, and sync it to your Apple Watch if applicable. Finish by testing Apple Pay. Make a small contactless purchase or view the card status in Wallet to confirm it's active. If a transaction fails, first restart your device and try again. Sometimes a reconfirmation is required. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, verify your billing address and region settings, and ensure the bank supports Apple Pay. As a last step, contact your bank's support for verification issues. They can unblock or reauthorize the card so you can resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.